So here we go again. Last stretch. You can see there's a telegraph pole right here. Right in through the trees there. We're up on this big embankment. Oh, I'm sore. Again, 35 kilometers yesterday. Probably a bunch more today. I'm tired. There's another telegraph pole in there. That one's seen better days. The top cross arm is snapped off. Again, you can see part of Mattawa Lake that is formed by the English River. Sorry, brain fart there. Hopefully the camera's evening out the light a little bit for you here. Not a cloud in the sky. So tomorrow's supposed to be cloudy. Fingers crossed. And it's supposed to rain later in the day. There's a telegraph pole down there. Oop. Hang on, let's pause here. Just in case we got anything on the lens of the camera. Yesterday, on our hike, I recorded at Reba, the station at Reba. Get back to the resort, download the videos, look at the video I did of the Reba station, and there's a water droplet right smack dab in the middle of the lens of the camera. And so all you see is basically this drop of water and blur around it. So you basically could not see anything. Well, you could see things, but ruined the video. So tomorrow I have to drive all the way down to Reba to reshoot that piece of video. Kind of freaky driving on this grade in the dark. So here we're going through a cutting area. Again, don't know what it looks like on the camera. It's a pretty lengthy cut. A little bit of rock in here. I don't think I'm gonna record this one tomorrow. Maybe, we'll see. That's pretty big. It looks like they probably took material out of here, because this side's kind of slopes down and that side looks kind of far away from the grade. So maybe it's all till in here and they took some of the material out. So this has got to be Percy's Bay coming up here. No, this is not. Or maybe it is. Okay, so we've got another building here, and we've got, what the heck was that? Oh, it's just a crow. So you can see here on this person's property, nice cabin they built here. They have a milepost marker, so they have the milepost 113 marker on here. I'll give you a zoomed in view. You probably can't see from here, from where we are. So you can see that 113 milepost marker. So again, milepost 113 would have been further back, but I guess they took it from there, liberated it from there. So I believe, yep, this is the home run stretch here, because our destination is on the other side of this causeway. So what we're doing here is we're crossing over this very large causeway over a part of Mattawa Lake. And again, Mattawa Lake is formed by the English River. So you can see it's a very, very long causeway. Maybe we're going to pause here and snap a picture. We took a picture this morning with it was kind of foggy and stuff, but we'll take one here to get a different view. Sometimes they're always on the hunt for a good thumbnail for a video. Okay. Oh. So maybe what I'll do is I'll show you the map so you can see where we are. Our destination is on the other side of the causeway, and we actually have another flag stop right there. And you see the very pretty geography here. You can still see lots of the leaves are up on the poplars and the birches. So it gives you a little bit of color here. There was a telegraph pole right here somewhere. There it is. There's the telegraph pole. Okay, so there's my truck. Here's our destination, but before we do that, we actually have another last point of interest. So as I mentioned, we do have a flag stop here. So this was the second of 3 flag stops in a row. So you'll notice that things look a little bit different. It's because it's a completely different year. So we recorded the video originally in the fall of 2025, so October 2025. It is now May of 2026, and the reason why we're back here re-recording is because I wanted to update some information. I do have to say a big thank you to Jim, who originally gave me the information about the flag stop here. Unfortunately, I kind of misinterpreted what he had said. So again, we are at milepost 114 on the Graham subdivision. So originally 143 on the Grand Trunk Pacific. So this was a flag stop that was known as the dock. Again, the middle of 3 flag stops. So you had the rock, the dock, and the tank. So basically this was a flag stop officially from 1952 until 1976, and I'll show you the timetable here. unofficially continued until passenger service ended in 1985. So when I heard the dock, I assumed that there was a dock because this is Percy's Bay of Mattawa Lake. What was actually here was that on this side, and I do have a picture, so if you go in the link in the description, you can basically see a picture of this. So I do have a picture of the loading dock that was here. I'm pretty sure it's on this side because you can see the telegraph poles in the background. So there was a loading dock because there used to be some fishing that used to go on in the lake, and they used to use the loading dock to basically load up the fish, and then I guess people used to use it to load equipment and things like that. So again, just an explainer on what we meant by the dock. All right, so again, we've arrived at our destination. So hopefully you've enjoyed today's hike and all the things that we saw. We saw Soden, we saw Tannin. You know, nothing overly crazy, but certainly a nice little stretch there along the English River. So in any case, we will be. The plan was to do this piece tomorrow, but probably what's going to happen is probably we're going to have to come back in the spring to do this. I have to head home tomorrow, so I'm probably not going to have time to complete this piece, but we will get it done as soon as possible. So in any case, stay tuned for more episodes, and take care.